So this is a transfer I'll be working with, the Stay a While. This is the board that I got from Hobby Lobby at half off, and the squeegee I will be using, as well as the white paste. So first step is taking it out of the packaging, and as you can see, there are lines right on there. So we're gonna cut along the lines, cut into 3 different pieces. I will not be using the come in and part. I'm just using the stay a while parts. Once you have everything cut out, I just like to place it on the board so I can see where everything is going to be, and that's the way I like it. In this case, I'm just using one of the wreaths that I have laying around the house. Remember, since this is a brand new transfer, make sure you fuzz it really well. I would do like 2-3 times just to be on the safe side, and that just helps preventing your paste from pulling up. I just wanted to share some of the experience that I have so far with Chalk Couture products is that they use silkscreen as their stencil, and so it gives you the really nice clean lines. So while I'm placing my Stay a While on the board, I wanted to share my personal experience I've had so far with Chalk Couture products. I love using Chalk Couture products because they're ready to go, and you can put it on any smooth surface and expect nice clean lines coming out of it, and it'll save you a lot of time. I used to design my stencils on the computer for 4 hours, and then having to cut it out, and then weeding, and then making sure the paint doesn't seep underneath my surface. And now it's literally, I can do the whole project in minutes. So now, as you can see, I'm just applying the white paste on there. And at first, I like to layer pretty thick on there just to make sure it doesn't dry until I'm ready to scrape off all the excess. One thing to keep in mind is that once you scrape off all your excess, to make sure you're working in a timely manner on pulling your transfer up, because you don't want the paste to completely dry. It may come up with your transfer. It may be kind of hard to see, but I went outside of the transfer, so there's a couple tiny spots on the board. You just use a baby wipe, and it seriously just comes right off. Super easy. And then I'm just using a command hook. This one goes up to 2 pounds. And I'm just placing the stickies on the front and the back. And I'm going to position that in the center of my board. And last thing is to put on my wreath. If you like this video, please like and share on your page. That would help a lot, and stay tuned for the next time. Thanks for watching.